Hi everyone, this is Ashu Sandesh. I'm sponsored by Rajesh Nanjapa, mentored by Kapila and Prashant. Today I'm going to talk about piles. Let us see what is piles exactly. Piles is swollen or inflamed veins in the rectum and anus that cause discomfort, pain, and bleeding. Piles can be cured naturally without any surgery by identifying nutritional gap and having proper diet, lifestyle modification, and supplementation process. Firstly, I would like to tell you that the person with piles will not feel thirsty at all. It is always advisable to have water every hour, that is like 10 to 12 glasses of water. But this person hardly feels thirsty, and when there is no proper intake of water, there is lot of indigestion happening and lot of acidity building up, and because of this, they would. Like a pH is disturbed, and there is lot of toxins getting deposited in your colon, because 80 to 90% of our health depends on the colon. If the colon health is really good, then the person will be really healthy. uh, like if that gets disturbed, that would be the root cause for various other health and skin issues. So we start looking at these like angles. And second one is from their diet pattern, we see like how good fiber intake is. The pile patient would not drink sufficient water, then he or she would be having very less amount of fiber, and he or she would be having high vitamin B deficiency, because vitamin deficiency causes lot of heat in our body, and when there is lot of heat getting generated in our body, the digestive system gets disturbed, and we start facing such problems. And the person related with piles, from the diet chart we would get to know that how many servings of fruits is having. So when there is like no fruit habit at all, then that person is 100% prone to uh, suffer with piles. So these are the five major aspects for the person to suffer with piles. That is very less water intake, fiber deficiency, no fruit in eating habit, vitamin B deficiency, and lot of stress level. Coming to the supplementation part, natural B is recommended, four times is must for piles patient. One is after breakfast, after lunch, after dinner, and before going to bed. Natural B helps to cool down the body heat, because the piles patient, because of high constipation and all the stools got hardened, that cause severe pain. So that's how the natural B helps in losing the stools. And uh, like uh, next is fiber. 10 to 15 grams of fiber is the must. Along with the fiber, raw vegetables and fruits are also must. Next is mistel, because it has the purest form of turmeric. Turmeric, we all know, is an antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal property it has. And next supplement would be like vitamin C, because it helps reducing excess heat. So when that heat starts reducing, digestion also starts improving. And vitamin C also good in reducing itching, infections, and reducing the fuzz formation. These four supplements are required for first 30 days. After this course is done, there are two more supplements to be added, that is daily and protein. Let us move on to diet chart. It is necessary to have diet modification where the person can follow however he or she wants. Early in the morning can start off with either one glass of lemon water or pudina water, or jeera water, because all these are very good antioxidants properties. And along with this, 200 ml lukewarm water has to be taken, because these herbal water will increase the metabolic rate. And when the metabolic rate in the person is increased, this gives relief to the person by overcoming all the discomforts what he or she facing. And if not, the person can even go for one glass of buttermilk, but for a piles patient bitter gourd can be incorporated, but nobody likes to have bitter gourd because of its bitterness. But bitter gourd is very rich in fiber and a potent antioxidant. We can blend a handful of bitter gourd and add it to the buttermilk and uh, have it early in the morning for empty stomach. Raw onion is also one of the important thing one can have with with lunch or dinner. For a piles patient, it is must to finish dinner within 7 p.m. because early the dinner, better the digestion. Before going to bed, he or she can have boiled banana with 1 glass of warm milk, and this would ease out the pain, and next day excretion process would be good. And 1 glass of hot water and teaspoon of olive oil and one full lemon juice is also recommended. This also helps in reducing the pain. 2 to 3 cups of curd every day is must because curd is a very good probiotic. Probiotic is a good bacteria. It helps in many ways. Following this diet and along with the supplement, we can cure piles. Thank you.